All right, back again. Final days of week 2. Chickens are looking good. They're looking good. Growing fast, for sure. Just had some outside time with them. Cleaned up their cage. Birds are looking good. So, I got an unboxing here. About to tackle right now. This box is extra dirty. I'm gonna take this outside. Let's do it. Got a nice little unboxing. I've been waiting on a couple packages and it finally came. So let's go ahead and rip them open. Still ordering from Amazon out here in the bush. How about that? Had to go pick it up, but got the job done. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so these look like the pipes that I've been waiting for to come through in customs. Been waiting for these pipes to come through in customs right here. Man, let me put this phone down somewhere. I'll just tilt this over. Go. Tilt that over like so. Pour it out. Jeez. Nice. I got me some thick pipe so I could tap into some water. That goes along with my other piece. Prince, leave them birds alone. Come on. All right, now for the other box. Let's see what we got in here. Nelly. That dog loves those birds. Maybe he just finally wants a companion. And now he has a companion, a couple companions out there, something I don't know. But let me do this unboxing. So I'm waiting. I'm trying to set this phone up. Bear with me a second. I got you. Alright, there we go. It's good enough. Alright, we in here. Let's see. Yeah, it is. That's what I've been waiting on. Every homestead should have one. See if you can guess what it is by the first couple parts. See if you can guess what it is by the first couple parts. Let's see what's under that. That's how the package comes. Let's see. What else we got in here? Pick you guys up. So I'm loving it already. Look at that, huh? Gotta have a nice fine windmill, wind generator. Yes, sir. I need that. Need it. Some assembly required, but that's gonna give out some power. Yes, sir. Love it. Gonna wire that sucker in probably today. How much sunlight I got? Not too much. And got our cap. After we screw on, these are probably for the blades over there. And We got some mounting screws over here. What do we got in here? This should be the charge controller. Yes, indeed. Yes, it is. Charge controller. That way you don't overcharge your batteries. Nice. Nice. Installation guidelines. Well, I'll hit you guys back up when I get this all built together. Wired in. Maybe I'll make a video of how to wire in